channel. It's me Sumana and we hope you all are doing great. So today we are going to explore Kolkata Gariahat Market. Bengali New Year is coming soon, so it's sale time. So let's go and check out their summer collection. Now 1:30 p.m. and we are in Gariahat station. Now let's enter to the market, and there are no particular bag lane or shoe lane. All things are mixed. Just walk straight and you see so many shops. Also try to coming here at evening time because now few stalls are still not open. Literally here you can find all type of stuff like home decor, cushion, bed cover, false flowers, anything and everything. Now I just stop talking and show you all the collection. So many stores where clothes are hanging in a string and price are already mentioned on a board like 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 200 rupees like so, but you have to spend some time to find some good stuff from it. Opposite of the cute fashion store, you will find some 50 rupees dress and t-shirt collection I also bought from here. In this lane, you find some trendy and stylish clothes in sale, have crop top, some shorts, dresses, everything under 200 rupees. There are few Korean style collection available on the opposite of Senko Jewelry store. Then we enter to the Bazaar Kolkata Mall, and first at the ground floor have men's collection, and then first floor have some kid collection, and second floor have ladies collection. We check out the ethnic wear and sarees. But I personally don't like their collection at all, so we came out from there. Next I found a fabric shop where being sold different kind of salwar pieces, and then we entered to the Indian Silk Museum lane. There are a great option of Indian wear clothes opposite of Gopal stores. Beside of the ATM also have few ethnic wear shop. Also I found a 30 rupees earring stall. I love this emoji one, but I already have so many earrings, so I don't buy it. 5:30 p.m. and we decide to go back home. I try to cover all things. When we came back home, we saw all stores are open, so I shoot all of those. It was very crowded, but I try to show you the location. Hope you understand. Let me know how this video was. In front of this shop, I found 150 rupees ready-made blouse. I want a golden blouse so long and I luckily found it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a like and subscribe my channel for watching all the upcoming videos. I see you soon. Till then, bye.